So have you always wondered what is a 55 and over community is like? Well, if so, then today is your lucky day. Come on, let's take a look at Cascades and Estero. And we're heading into Cascades down the lovely, recently revitalized Estero Parkway that has recently gone through a rebeautification project, and holy moly, does it make a huge difference. They've added sidewalks, they've widened the road, brought in a ton of landscaping. It is now turned into a beautiful, thorough street right in the heart of Estero. So we're coming in here, you can see Cascades is a gated community. It is got a keypad where people can either give you, they can either dial your phone for you to let them in, or you have a PIN number that you can give out for them. We are going to start the tour today in the amenities of this awesome community. So yes, it is a 55 and over, but let me tell you, it is one of the most active communities that I go in and out of. So you can see here they've got a really lovely clubhouse with a undercover drop off right at the front door that you can utilize. Quite a bit of parking located around the clubhouse area, and you will see that it is quite a large facility. So that's just going through the circle there. The big fountain, when you come in, you know you're coming into the Clubhouse and Amenities Center. So we're just going to take a quick stroll here. So bocce, you hear me talk about it in every video. Bocce is so popular. Nobody out playing here this afternoon, but there are 2 bocce courts. They have taken a tennis court and they've added 4 pickleball courts. So very exciting. Pretty much every community is finding a way and finding space and budget dollars to bring pickleball courts. Pickleball is the fastest growing sport in the United States at this time. And because of our beautiful weather, you can play pickleball all year round here in Southwest Florida. So there also are still 5 Hartrude clay tennis courts, super active tennis program. We had a ladies league match happening the day I was making this video. And there's a full-time tennis pro on staff for racket sports and lessons. And heading to the next portion of our amenities tour, we are walking through here the entrance, the back gate, so that I can share with you the pools. One thing that is unique about Cascades is that they actually have an indoor and an outdoor pool. So you can see we've got a huge pool deck here. We're just getting ready to come back into full season, so a lot of the chairs are put away, but we've got the resort style pool there. And when you walk through these doors, you're going to see we actually have an indoor lap pool that connects. You can just go right outside there. It's got a nice little waterfall, but this is something that is unique to Cascades. It is awesome to have the opportunity to still be able to swim during our tropical storm weather in the summertime, and if it's just too hot. Very adequate exercise room. You can see with the flooring there, Cascades has just recently gone through a little renovation, and it is beautiful. They've changed the colors on the walls. They've brought in a little bit more of a coastal feel. You can see the flooring there. Very adequate with the amount of exercise equipment that is available. Here is the yoga and exercise room. So much light coming in. And we're just going to take a walk into the clubhouse. So this is one of the most active communities that I have seen, as I shared with you. They have a full-time activities director, and they have a full-time calendar. So whether you want to play cards, whether you like to play billiards, whether you are into a reading club, all kinds of stuff for you to do if you want. That's the beauty of living the Live Joy Southwest Florida lifestyle. Is it is up to you. If you want to be involved, you can be involved. There's definitely enough options of different activities and social events and calendar items to do. And if you choose not to, then you can just enjoy the sunshine. So it is up to you. So again, you can see that they have changed all the flooring out, changed the colors. This used to be very Mediterranean looking, like most of Estero, especially because this neighborhood was built between 2002 and 2007, which was the pretty common theme back then. We've got the billiards room there. And there are single family homes and villa homes in this community. Check out this large space here for activities and dinners and parties. So great. Just taking a turn around. So got a little stage there. We've got the take a book, leave a book library with computers set up, TVs, and some comfy couches. As we're driving around, you're going to see that, like most of Southwest Florida, we are in another planned community, again, built back in the early 2000s by Levitt and Sons. 614 total homes in this community. And yeah, they do all look pretty similar, but believe it or not, there are actually 11 different floor plans to choose from. 2 of those being villas, the rest of them single family homes. And even though we're driving through the different streets and they look fairly similar, there actually were 4 different sizes of lots that were available based on the floor plan. Most of these homes are 2 bedrooms with a den, but sometimes you will see a 3-bedroom home. And they range everywhere from 1,525 square feet all the way up to a floor plan that's got just over 2,500 square feet. A lot of them are built on little lakes. There are lakes throughout this entire community, but not all of them. And as you will see, they've all got the tile roofs, and you see a lot of the manicured look. Again, just a beautiful look here coming through the main thoroughfare. There are sidewalks and walking paths throughout this neighborhood. One of my favorite things about this neighborhood is absolutely the location. You're about 10 minutes, 15 minutes to the airport, less than 10 minutes to Coconut Point, less than 10 minutes to Gulf Coast Town Center, all kinds of restaurants and shopping, tons of golf around. These are the detached villas that we're driving through here. And back in this side of the neighborhood, there is actually a secondary satellite pool. So a lot of people don't know that that exists in the back of the neighborhood here. So again, we're driving along. You can see the sidewalk paths up and down the main drag. And whenever I'm in here, people are being active. This is the middle of the day. And, you know, you still see people outside. There was somebody in the pool, people playing tennis. You know, beautiful, mature trees in this community, a lot of oaks, a lot of palm trees, which everyone knows makes me happy, palm trees and sunshine. And again, this is a very reasonable HOA fee for what you get within this community. There is no CDD, which is a great bonus. And if you're not familiar with that, with what it is, we actually do have another video that talks about the CDD and what those fees are. But again, as you can see, we've got consistent look, tile roofs everywhere, pavered driveways, and beautiful landscaping no matter where you look, which is one of the things that made me fall in love with Southwest Florida.
So if you're looking for awesome amenities, but if 55 and over is not for you, I totally get it. Check out this video on Pelican Landing, another awesome community here in Southwest Florida that has incredible amenities in a wonderful location.